So I just want to let you guys know that I don't think this is going to be the most kid-friendly video. So if you have kids around or you listen to this on speaker or put it on the TV or something like that, make sure that you take it off of all those things or kids are not around. Now, I don't plan on saying a bunch of curse words or things in excess, but I do plan on talking about the ecosystem dev team and how they completely fucked everybody over. Like, this could have been so much better, so much bigger than we ever dreamed of for Shiba Inu. If they would have just embraced the community in building, in burning, and doing everything they can for Shiba Inu, rather than creating things for themselves and to pad their own pockets and to make sure that SHIB went away and whatever they had stayed here, we would have been in a much better spot. And I told them in their AMAs that they had, I told them specifically that they've done nothing for SHIB and SHIB has done everything for them. And no matter what they decide to do as an ecosystem team, SHIB will be around a lot longer than they will. That's just a fact. Whatever they build is going to be here if they decide to embrace Shiba Inu and support Shiba Inu in a large way. All of the things that they create can be around in conjunction with SHIB. SHIB will be a lot bigger. It will be the biggest thing that's there, but you still will have a major connection to this larger meme coin, this larger community. And they screwed everybody over. We were the ones that were trying to burn from the beginning. We were the ones that saw what was burned from the start and realized that we can burn a lot more if we all come together, have different businesses, have different methods to burn, all of that. We would have been able to do so much more for Shiba Inu. Instead, they told you guys that they were SHIB, that they created SHIB, that they are the controllers of SHIB, and now you want to buy all of these other things rather than buying Shiba Inu. Guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know if you had Shiba Inu or you still have Shiba Inu, or if you had any of their projects that they created. If you were a part of that ecosystem in a large way. No shade on you for being a part of it. It's confusing. You believe that the largest community, the loudest community is the one that's the right one. But in reality, we were trying to tell you guys that no, they're not it. Don't support what they're doing. Don't support what they're saying, because they aren't the controllers. They aren't the creators. They aren't people that can change outcomes of whatever SHIB is going to do. They can't, right? It's decentralized. They cannot touch it. They cannot do anything with it. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, feel free to check out my link for BTCC down below. If you guys want to sign up for this platform, you can enter to win 500 USDT that's giving out to 3 winners. All you have to do is sign up, deposit, and trade for BTCC. Just click that link at the top of the description. You can also get a 10% deposit bonus as well as extra bonuses up to $10,055 and a bunch of other stuff. So feel free to check it out. Link is in the description. Now, there have been years that we've talked about Shiba Inu and this ecosystem dev team. I was on an AMA a long time ago where I asked them, I said, hey, you're creating all these things for the Shiba Inu community, which is great. But in my view, I'm seeing that Shiba Inu is helping out all of the things that you're creating, but you are doing nothing for SHIB at all. Everything that you have doesn't support Shiba Inu at all. And their response was, anybody can create an ecosystem, and it's all created in conjunction with SHIB or in connection with SHIB. So if we have a bunch of ecosystems here, we would support those ecosystems separately. That's basically their response, and that they will support SHIB in the future. They have done nothing for SHIB in the entire time that we have tried to support them. I created a burn channel. Coffee Company created a burn company. You had Bigger Entertainment that was doing things there. You had, which ended up getting pushed out as well. You had other businesses like gaming that were being pushed out as well from this ecosystem dev team because they didn't create it. They're the ones that told you no, that don't invest into this or don't be a part of this because they're just trying to take your money, when that's all the fuck they were trying to do, is take your money. They listed so many NFTs and metaverse lands, right? Shiba Inu or Shibverse lands, whatever it was called, I forgot. They've released some sort of, what was it? Something with cologne. I don't know. It was basically an NFT. They were selling you something else. They're continuously selling you something so that they can make money off of it and they can grow their brand to something way bigger than what Shib was. And now look where they got you, right? If you look at Doge Killer currently stands at $1. $1. It's at a $8.9 million market cap. This was at a highest price. The highest price, all-time high, was $8,983. The lowest that you're seeing here, $1 is where it stands. This was at $8,983 and is at $1, down 99.99% from that high point. Are we not considering this a rug pull? That's the way that it seems. Bone is at maybe a little bit more reasonable compared to where it was, but you're looking at a 13-cent price point from the high point of $41.67, which is still 99.67% down from the all-time high. They've given you nothing, and they've tried to take and take and take while claiming that anybody that was actually legit and cared about Shiba Inu, claiming that they were the scammers, when in reality, the people right there were the scammers. They were the problem. They were always the problem. And we said this, they were always the problem. That if we stayed together as a community, we could find a way to build this into something way bigger and be able to make more money in the end. Now, Shiba Inu is still around. Shiba Inu still sits at a $7.39 billion market cap. And just like I stated, it will be here. It was here before you came here, and it will be here after you're gone. And that's exactly where it is. Everybody's dark. Nobody's saying anything. That's where we stand here today. And it's honestly just pitiful. It's so pitiful that I even decided to, jump in on it and just want to see the success for anything that looks like it could support Shiba Inu in any way with Shibarium. And then that kind of went under. Hoping that Bone and Leash would have a massive support for Shiba Inu, but no, never did. Hoping the metaverse would have a massive support for Shiba Inu. No, it never did. They sold all these lands. They did nothing with people that were buying with Shiba Inu. There were so many signs leading right to the fact that they were fraudulent and they just wanted your money. And they were hiring people and firing people so that they can get more money or find people that are going to do something else to where they can gather more money. That's all they wanted from you guys. That's all they wanted from all of us. And it's a shame because we could have gone so much further. A large company like Bigger Entertainment that was looking to burn Shiba Inu just because it created an impact to where it brought their brand up a little bit and brought more attention to their brand, that's not a problem. As long as they have a benefit in the end, who cares that it's bringing attention to them? The more attention that they have, the more Shiba Inu that they burn. The more attention that this coffee company has, the more Shiba Inu that it burns. The more attention that videos would have, the more that they would burn, even though they decided to stop view farming. The more that you supported those businesses that were looking to support Shiba Inu, the more that we could see Shiba Inu burn and the higher we could see of that price in the end. It was a no-brainer. And now everything has to fall out of plan. And now we have to just settle on what the overall market cap will be based on the popularity, because it still has, how many holders? 3 million holders, 2.87 million holders. And then, 2 million people that are having it on watch list for CoinMarketCap alone. It still has the popularity, but it's just a shame where we are here today because of this ecosystem dev team. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this situation and everything that is going on here. If you've had Bone, Leash, Shib, or anything else a part of the SHIB community or ecosystem dev team or whatever, let me know in the comment section below. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for these videos. If you guys want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to do so. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm sorry for any of the cursing or any of the profanity, all that stuff. I'm not that type of person, but it does really, really piss me off that we all came together to seek out the loudest voice rather than the ones that were the most right. I'm going to catch you in the next one. See ya.